Are you looking for the best circular saws in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best circular saws that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita XSH06PT36V Brushless 7 and 1/4 inches circular saw kit. The 36-volt cordless Makita circular saw takes top honors in our lineup of the best circular saws for several reasons. First, its base or shoe and its retractable blade guard are made from magnesium, which offers more durability than steel or aluminum at a lighter weight. It's also powerful, has a long list of easy-to-use features, and offers an impressive cutting capacity. We tested the Makita by making straight and bevel cuts of various depths on plywood and dimensional lumber. It powered through smoothly with no torque loss, even after the battery indicators showed less than half a charge. We made repeated cuts over an hour, and the Makita's motor and housing never heated up. We also liked that this battery-powered circular saw has a handy quick change angle adjustment, allowing cuts up to 56 degrees with positive stops at standard angles of 22.5, 45, and 56 degrees. Its depth is easy to adjust up to inches, making this tool great for quick-moving projects where you don't want to stop and use a wrench to change settings. While this handheld circular saw also has a sawdust discharge nozzle for wet-dry vacuum hose connect, we noticed quite a bit of sawdust still escaped from around the blade guard, making this feature of the saw the only one we don't totally endorse. Up next in the 4th place is the DeWalt DCS 590WW120V Max XR71 circular saw kit. DeWalt is a leader in the power tool market, and this 20-volt cordless circular saw is a perfect example of why. It's smartly designed and comfortable to use, and its powerful 20V motor with 500 revolutions per minute speed allowed us to make repeated straight and angled test cuts of various depths over an hour without it losing power or heating up. It has a bevel capacity of up to 57 degrees, with positive stops at 45 and 22.5 degrees, making it handy to cut standard angles without needing to examine the angle measurements carefully before locking in. At 2 9/16 inches, it also offers a deeper cutting depth than most of its competitors. While we would prefer a magnesium base instead of aluminum, we don't consider this a deal breaker. The blade angle adjustment lever and the depth adjustment lever save time when making adjustments, and the unit's rafter hook adds to its versatility for projects like framing a roof structure with dimensional lumber. It's nice to be able to hang the saw on a rafter while performing another task and grab it when you're ready to cut again. What our tester says: we like this DeWalt saw for pros, but we also think dedicated DIers will use it a lot. It's a great combination of well-designed and ergonomic, and it had just as much power on the last cut of our tests as the first. Glenda Taylor, product reviews tester and writer. The 3rd product on our list is the Makita XSS03Z18V LXD cordless circular trim saw. For part-time DIers or smaller framed users, Makita's 18V LXD cordless circular saw's small size and minimal weight make it an attractive, portable option. This lightweight circular saw weighs just 6 pounds, allowing DIers of any size and skill level to wield it. It's well suited to overhead cutting where it isn't easy to wield a heavier circular saw. Despite its minimal size and small blade, this Makita cordless circular saw has a depth of cut of up to 2 inches, offering more than enough capacity for cutting dimensional lumber. Its 600 RPM top speed should be capable of handling most projects, though the speed is less than some competitive models. The base bevels up to 50 degrees to allow users to make angled cuts. Although small, we found that this portable circular saw packs quite a punch. It easily powered through straight and angled cuts in plywood and dimensional lumber. While the dual support knob is a little on the small side, we were able to use it to keep the saw stable while cutting. Most pros will probably forego the dual support and use this model as a one-handed saw. Second on our list is the Skil 5V280 1-corded 7 1/4 inches circular saw. Getting the hang of using a circular saw can be challenging, but operating a circular saw with laser guidance makes the process much easier. This Skil electric circular saw features a single beam laser that allows users to maintain consistent passes on cut lines, taking some of the learning curve out of straight cuts. While we found that some laser guides are dim or don't extend more than a few inches, the laser on the Skilsaw is a notable exception, even outdoors on a mostly sunny day. It was visible on our cutting material for more than 2 feet. In addition to its laser beam, this corded circular saw also boasts a 300 RPM top speed from its 15-amp motor, offering plenty of power and capability. It cuts angles up to 51 degrees and comes with a positive stop at 45 degrees, the angle used most often when cutting miters. Adjusting both angle and depth is simple via levers, and the tool comes with a maximum cutting depth of 2.4357 inches. While we deemed this saw a good choice for making straight and angled cuts on plywood and dimensional lumber, it's not for heavy-duty sawing. The motor got pretty warm to the touch after about 45 minutes of use, which told us that we were pushing it further than it was designed to go. The saw also has several plastic components, which help keep the price down, but make it better for novice DIYers needing a saw for small projects. Finally, the top product on our list is the Skil SPT70W 110 1/4 inches Magnesium worm drive Skilsaw. Though this large circular saw from Skil weighs a hefty 16.45 pounds, has a substantial 10 1/4 inch blade, and operates at a respectable 4,700 RPM, it's neither the biggest nor the fastest model on our list. Still, it produces enough torque to keep spinning through thick and dense timbers associated with post and beam and timber framing. During testing, we used it to make a variety of straight and angled cuts on dimensional lumber and an LVL, and it didn't heat up at all. As with most of today's worm drive saws, this model is corded because its size and torque demand more power than most lithium-ion batteries can produce. It performed flawlessly when we used it to bevel the edge of a large 8-foot-long 12-inch by 12-inch hem-fir beam, and it has an enviable cutting depth of 3 11/16 inches. It cuts angles up to 51 degrees, and both the blade angle and depth are easy to adjust via levers. Over our testing period, our arms and shoulders did get a bit tired from the weight of this saw, making this model a bit much for occasional use DIYers. If you need to cut sizable dimensional lumber or timbers, however, this is the machine for you. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.